Have you noticed some of these utility boxes at the intersections in downtown Myrtle? I really appreciate the fact that they're putting some art on them. I'm a big fan of murals and street art and things like that, so anytime you spice up, you know, utility infrastructure with something artistic, I'm down for it. It is mid to late April, and the temperature's in the 50s right now. Can you believe that? What is going on? What is going on? Also, there's a Pelican shaved ice right here, right next to the Waffle House. Good stuff. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's take a right-hand turn. And as you can see in the distance back there, there's a couple of slices of SKYWHEEL coming into existence. So we're gonna make our way over to that Plyler Park and see how much of the SKYWHEEL is put back together. I was here just a few days ago and there was 0 slices. Now it looks like there's about 5 or 6. So if I were to hazard a guess, I'd say they'll be done by the end of the week. Fireworks are illegal, or illegal, however you want to say it. People always make fun of me the way I say it. Red light. It is early in the morning, as you can tell, not a lot of people walking around. You may or may not have realized by now, if you're a frequent viewer of the channel, that I'm a morning person. I prefer to do this stuff early in the morning before it gets too busy. Also, another artistic rendering on that box. I don't think it's painted. I think it's a vinyl, just overlaid. I don't know. I need to walk up to one and check it out. Just as a public service announcement, there are crosswalks along the boulevard. Please use them as a pedestrian and please be aware of them as a vehicular pilot, because more often than not, people don't use the crosswalks and vehicles ignore them. So stay safe, guys. Hey, yellow shirt dude, that's one of our ambassadors. If you ever see a yellow shirt dude, talk to him. They're here to answer your questions, to clean up the roads, and they're an extra set of eyes for the police department. Anyway, enough chitter chatter. Here it is, the SKYWHEEL in all its majesty. How many slices are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 slices. There it is. And I see the crane going up and down, actively installing more slices.